If you struggle with frizzy hair that looks like this, but want hair that looks like this, then you need the new Extra Strength Dreamcoat. Regular Dreamcoat has been our #1 best-selling retail product for the last 7 or 8 years. It's been great for most people, but there are some that really needed extra moisture or extra strength to get their hair silky smooth and shiny. The Extra Strength Dreamcoat actually does that. They spent 3 years perfecting this formula. Just came out about a couple of months ago, and it is already starting to be a huge seller, just like the original Dreamcoat. What makes this different, it gives you ultra hydration for those people with dry hair or that need more smoothness, more shine, for those kinky, curly, ethnic type hair that really struggles to get that hair straight and smooth. Watch this next video by Global Education Director Giles Robinson. You'll see how to do it properly. The same technique applies for both of them. So if you just follow that exactly, you'll get even better results with the Extra Strength Dreamcoat.
This product has gone crazy viral for good reason, but I've seen a lot of you using it wrong. As a hairdresser with over 20 years experience, I'm going to show you how to get it right. It's really very simple. Take small sections like this and saturate your hair from root to tip. Make sure you're using a lot. It is so important to saturate. So now we've saturated every section root to tip. Grab a brush, a blow dryer, and blow dry your hair with heat and tension. So there's a reason they call Dreamcoat the glass hair product. It is so difficult to get shine like this on blonde hair. Now you guys better get this viral product quick before it sells out again, especially when that humidity season hits.
So it's available now. This would be a great Christmas gift for anyone that frizzy hair, that just struggle with their hair, that want to make their hair silky, shiny all year round. You can do it all in just one blowout. If you're one of my customers, contact me and let me know if you want to go ahead and place your order. Be sure to get it from a stylist if you can. If not, you can check some links down below. If you want the best hair ever, you got to get Extra Strength Dreamcoat. Silky, shiny, humidity-proof results that last 3 to 4 washes. Get yours today. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, follow, and share this video with someone that is in need of a product like this. Thanks for watching.